Okay, hey guys, today I'm just doing a bit of a mail opening video. I've ordered some stuff off Warlord Games and I'm just going to crack that open now that it's finally arrived. It's taken a while to get here due to the lockdown. It is what it is. You know, it can't really be helped, and at least it wasn't something that was massively important. It does include some gifts from my dad, but I'd already long missed his birthday at that point because I figured we'd do something. At the time I figured we'd do something like after lockdown, and then eventually it just became clear that was not going to happen. If I can get all this tape off, I'll show you what's in it. Got our little box. So we've got, first of all, we've got some Sea Devils. Haven't yet done a video on these, but basically you need more than one copy of these. You need at least two, and almost certainly actually need three. So just got those for my dad for his birthday, so he had a couple more. Then I wanted to get him a new faction that he could play just with what was in the box. So I got him this Sontaran General Style pack, because this is just a little three figure £13 expansion that you can play just the three of them as a team. So that's good, you know, you can just chuck those in. And the final thing I got him as a gift, bit of a daft one, was this Victor Kennedy and the Abzorbaloff pack. I thought it'd just be a nice little daft thing to round off the gift, so I thought why not. I sort of wanted to get him Celadine for the same reason, but they were one of the three-figure packs that he kind of needed. To be honest, I needed a £10 pack to get me over the postage threshold, so that's basically why that got chucked in. And it's also why this got chucked in, the Professor Yana and Chantho pack, because again I needed a £10 item to put me over the postage threshold, then used a 10% discount code, so I was a fiver under it again, so I needed another £10 one. So this was essentially free between the free postage and the fiver I would have paid for that, and the £5 saved from the 10% off code. This is essentially free. It's very again, it's just a little daft set. I do quite like Professor Yana and the War Masters, so I thought this was quite a cool one to pick up. And yeah, I'm sure they'll be quite interesting to use. And the final thing I got, the thing I was most excited about, is this Maximum Extermination expansion. This will probably be the first one I do an opening on, although there will be openings on all of the stuff that's mine. The stuff that's gifts will probably just be done as reviews later on. But yeah. So this is a Maximum Extermination pack. It's really cool. It's a 3-figure expansion. Includes metal miniatures of the Tank Special Weapons Dalek, the Supreme Dalek, and of course the Genesis Arc, which you can see there, which is really cool. I'm not sure if there's any rules for that, but it's very cool anyway. And it actually also includes the cards to upgrade your regular Daleks to the Cult of Skaro. The box is also enormous and quite heavy, and I can hear stuff rattling around in there, so I'm quite interested to crack that open and see what's going on in there. But yeah, that's everything from today's mail opening video. So, thank you for watching this, and goodbye.